Hello everybody. The purpose of this video is to analyze 3 of the most recent videos posted by the brand Vans and just kind of do a little analysis on what I thought about how well they used YouTube strategy in posting those videos based on some of the lessons that we've learned in class so far. So I'll break it down by the questions that we were given to answer. The first one being, did the company optimize its videos with titles, descriptions, transcripts, closed captions, tags, and thumbnails? So as far as titles go, they did a pretty decent job of using appropriate titles. They included the product that they had in that video, or if they had an influencer, they included their name in the title as well. They could have made the titles a little bit more captivating to draw in viewers, but overall I think they did a pretty decent job. As far as the description, I think this is the area where they probably did the best. They did really good of giving a snapshot of what the video was going to be about without going too far in depth. It was just enough surface level information to kind of draw you in and let you know what you were going to be seeing. As far as transcripts and closed captioning, they only use this on one of the 3 videos, which was the video with the most dialogue in it. However, the other 2 with minimal dialogue, they didn't use transcripts or closed captioning. As far as tags go, they did utilize tags, and they used the same tags for each of the 3 videos. And thumbnails, there were thumbnails used. They weren't all the same, but they did all have the same aesthetic. Now, the next question that we were given was, did the company leverage YouTube cards and end screens? This company, Vans, did not use YouTube cards or end screens in any of the 3 videos that I watched. What are some ways the company could further optimize its videos? So they could experiment with different tags. As I mentioned, they used the same tags for each video. Maybe they could use different tags based on what those videos were for. For instance, the video with one of the influencers, they didn't have his name as a tag in that video. They don't use transcripts or closed captionings like I mentioned. They could use that on those videos with minimal dialogue. YouTube makes it very easy, as we've learned, to include those in your videos, so it wouldn't hurt for them to include those, I don't believe. They aren't currently using YouTube cards or end screens at all. They should really be utilizing these, as it would potentially get viewers to want to click onto the next video, or maybe see a different product or learn about a different event that they participated in. So they should really start utilizing that feature of YouTube. They also didn't utilize chapters. However, the 3 videos I watched were all under 2 minutes, some under 1. So these videos that I watched at least weren't quite long enough to have need for chapters to break it up, but that is something they could potentially need on other videos. I'd have to do some more research. The next question, did the company leverage any of these examples for the 3 videos you analyzed? Explain what strategies were leveraged. So some of the strategies that they leveraged in this video that we learned about in class are experimenting with different content types. So the 3 content types they used in these 3 videos were an event video, customer stories, and product demonstrations. Another strategy they used was engaging with influencers. 2 of the videos they engaged with influencers. One was with several artists, and one with a popular skateboarder who's an influencer using one of their products. And then lastly, YouTube Live. They appear to be using YouTube Live pretty well throughout the year. They don't use it super often, but they do use it for specific events. And they've done at least a few over the past year, a few the year before. So they seem to be utilizing it when it makes the most sense. Next, make recommendations to the company on the strategies they should leverage in the future to improve their videos and achieve desired results with YouTube. So some of the strategies they aren't currently using, but they could be using or could incorporate, are including a channel trailer. They don't have a channel trailer when you first land on their YouTube page. Publishing videos regularly and at optimal times. Of the 3 videos I watched, the oldest one was over a month old, so they're posting less than a video a week. They could definitely be posting more videos to drive engagement up. And last, YouTube Shorts. They aren't using YouTube Shorts really at all. They had 4 on their page, and most were over a year old. So this is an aspect of YouTube they should really start looking into and seeing how they could utilize. I know I use YouTube Shorts as a consumer and watch them all the time, so maybe they should look into that. But overall, my conclusion, my analysis of this brand is that they're doing a pretty decent job of utilizing YouTube. They could definitely make some improvements, though, with their content strategy to drive up engagement and just get more viewers, more brand awareness. So I think that's what they should do. Thanks.